How to change suggested reels on Instagram. In order to do that, you need to head over and then manage your preferences. Click on the three dots on any reel that has been suggested for you. And at the comment there, you can see these options right here, like this manage content preferences on the bottom. Head over and click on that. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see in here the content from accounts you don't follow. So you can head over and allow political content if you want. You can limit it. You can also limit sensitive content. You can limit specific words and phrases. You can put in here some videos that you're not interested with. That way, Instagram algorithm will recognize which videos to actually suggest for you. And on the interested right here, you can add any interested post that you're in that you want to actually specifically add in here. In that way, it will appear more often to your Instagram. So you just need to head over and add interested and non-interested right here on your content preferences in order to make this happen. So that's how you change suggested reels on Instagram. Hope we helped.